Oh, share alone. Kilele, kí mò ń wò yìí. Share alone. What you need, oh, Fanny, be so silent. Mom, I want to eat eba. You know I love eba. You made a Ferrero yesterday. I'll be speaking more in Yoruba language to you. Mama be so Yoruba. Toro better so Yoruba. Edieni, ṣó ti gbọ́. Sọ pé ẹ̀fọ́ rírò. Ẹ̀fọ́ rírò. You say pàtàkì. That is not that important at this moment. That eba you like to eat, you are going to prepare it yourself. What? Jesus! Have to make eba myself? Yeah, I'm not preparing any eba for you. Yeah? Oh God, I'm still expecting my friend. She's coming over. You're preparing that eba yourself. Okay. Berekete. No problem. I'll make it. I know how to make it.
You don't know why it's going on.
Shotida. Okay, Mom. I'm going to prepare myself. Really? No problem. You know how you're going to prepare it. What's it done by here? Then make a little bit eba for me too, okay? No problem, Mom. I'll make some for you. I don't want to eat much. I feel like eating, but not that much, okay? You know, I'm watching my weight. All this weight, aren't they too much, nah? They're not too much. You don't need to worry about your figure at all. You're looking sweet, Mom. So I'm just trying to keep fit, you know? So just prepare some eba for me. O carry or call me. Adafuen. Amen. Le berekete. Korea koki. Amen, Mom. Let me go and quickly go and make the eba. So, Mommy, you want to see how I'm going to prepare my eba? That's the plate I'll be using. This is my gari that I'm using for our eba. I don't want to eat much as well, so that's my gari. And that's my hot water.
Continue.
Oh, Mom. You don't have too much water to eat. I'll keep stirring. Oh my goodness. Mommy! Kilele! What is this? What is this? Kilote? What is this? What have you made? You've just wasted my gari. Do you know how expensive gari is here? My goodness. And you'll be at a teach your children how to prepare food, especially girls. It doesn't even, gender does not matter at this stage. Even boys need to know how to cook. Now open your eyes and let me show you how you make your eba next time. Boiled water. It has to be well boiled, okay? When it is boiled, take it off the cooker and get your spatula. Now it's time for you to be adding gari into it. Please don't pour your gari at once into it. Be adding it little by little, and as you add, keep stirring, keep mixing. Immediately you feel it now looks like pudding. It's now time to stop adding gari into it. You only need to mix it well now. You mix well at this stage. You can see how it is. Now cover it and leave it for 3 to 5 minutes. After that, what you're going to have, you can see it's normal like pudding. It will not be hard, it will not be too soft, it will just be perfect. So simple as ABC. That is how to prepare eba. Mom, I'm so sorry. I'll do it better next time. Now I've learned how to prepare eba properly. Next time I'll prepare it better. Okay, Mom? You know I love you. I love you, Mom.